Welcome to YouTube channel Learn at Analytics. Please subscribe to my channel so that I can get motivation to create such content. This is a second SQL query interview question series that was commonly asked in many interviews. Let's get started. Before going to SSMS, I would like to inform you that I have continued to replicate the same in Power BI also. Calculate the cumulative sum of sales for each customer in a date range. I have uploaded the query in the description of this video below and practice along with me. First, we create a table customers and insert the data. Customer table has been created. 5 rows of data has been inserted. Create the sales underscore table. Table has been created. Insert the data for sales underscore table. We can insert the same customer, same day, multiple transactions into the sales underscore table. Let us solve the problem statement. Select sales underscore table and customers table. S.customer underscore ID. C.customer underscore name. C.city. S.sales underscore date. S.sale underscore amount. Let me write the logic of cumulative underscore sales column to calculate the cumulative underscore sales for each customer wise. Sum S.sale underscore amount over partition by S.customer underscore ID order by S.sale underscore date as cumulative underscore sales on S.customer underscore ID equals C.customer underscore ID order by S.customer underscore ID S.sale underscore date. Order by S.customer underscore ID, S.sale underscore date. Execute the query. We got 19 rows. I will explain the query that was executed. I will copy to the Excel file. This table is actually a very good example of how cumulative sums behave, especially when there are multiple sales on the same date. Let's explain customer 101, Ravi Kumar, step by step. Running calculation row 1. January 2nd, 2024, 120. Row 2. 1st January 10th, 2024 row. Previous total equals 120. 120 plus 180 is equal to 300. This value, 300, is what you see in column 1. Row 3, same date. January 10th, 2024, amount 50. Now, SQL sees same date, so it still keeps adding. 300 plus 50 is equal to 350. Row 4, same date. January 10th, 2024, amount 70. 350 plus 70 is equal to 420. Why all January 10th? 2024 rows show 420 because your window function uses range behavior implicitly. When multiple rows have the same order by value, same date, SQL treats them as a group and assigns a final cumulative value of that date to all rows of that date. Hence, cumulative underscore sales equals 420 for all January 10th, 2024 rows. White heavy checkmark this is expected SQL behavior. Similarly, it applies to other customers. Let us implement the cumulative logic in Power BI. Let me copy the data from Excel and paste in Power BI. Let us load the same data in Power BI. Let remove cumulative underscore sales in column 1 from this table. Let give a name cum table and load into the Power BI. Once data is loaded, we create a date table using the Modeling tab, create New Table, and create a Date table. Once Date table is created, you can see the data in Data tab. Relationship, Date table date, sales, sale underscore date. Single direction, date sales. Once the relationship is established, then go to Visual pane and Create Measure. Base measure, daily sales. Total sales equals sum. Let me increase the screen visibility so that it is clearly visible. Cum table, sale underscore amount. Total underscore sales measure is created. Let us create cumulative underscore sales measure. Cumulative underscore sales equals. Calculate is used to change the filter context. Add the expression total underscore sales. In Power BI DAX, the filter function is used to return a table that contains only the rows that meet a given condition. It's most commonly used inside measures with functions like calculate. Except removes all filters. Keeps only customer underscore ID filter. Filter goes row by row. Keeps rows where sale underscore date less than or equal to current date. Max sale underscore date gets current row date from visual context. Result running total per customer. Cumulative underscore sales measure is created. I have pulled a table visual and a slicer visual in a visual pane. Let us add a add columns from date table field date, customer underscore ID, customer underscore name, total underscore sales, cumulative underscore sales measure in a table. Add slicer customer underscore name to filter the data in the table visual. In slicer, click Ravi Kumar to see the filtered data in the table visual. Now we will compare the data from SQL Server and Power BI to see whether it is matching or not. Where c.customer underscore name equals Ravi Kumar, I will copy the data both Power BI and SQL and see the comparison. Both the figure are matching.